Did you know a respected baker in Alaska spent 12 years hunting women like wild game? Robert Hansen seemed like the perfect neighbor. He owned a successful bakery. He was a skilled pilot. He had a family. But Hansen had turned Alaska's endless wilderness into his personal hunting ground. He would kidnap women from Anchorage, fly them deep into the remote backcountry, then set them free. Then he would hunt them down with a rifle. For over a decade, he buried his victims where no one would ever find them. Alaska's vast emptiness became the perfect cover for the most twisted serial killer in the state's history.